Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Cathy. Today's video is just going to be pretty short. I just have a few things that I want to share with you guys. One is how we picked our Instagram winner last night. We had a giveaway to celebrate 1,000 subs. Yay! I just want to share the process of how we picked the winner, and then I also, pretty late in the evening, made some chicken salad, and I do have a few tricks that I use when I make chicken salad, and I wanted to share that with you. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm sitting here. It's 8:45 on Monday night. At 9 o'clock our giveaway ends. So I'm trying to get ready for, how to pick a winner on our giveaway. And if you don't know, we hit 1,000 subscribers recently. And so I did a little giveaway over on Instagram. And it was the first time I've done a giveaway on Instagram. I've only done one other giveaway, and that was through YouTube. And you just had to comment on that video. And then this one was on Instagram, and you had to comment and tag a friend and say something that you loved about them. I've learned that I made a few mistakes on this, or, it's just a learning process, but I want to show you guys when I pick the winner, so I'm going to film that. But as I'm getting ready, I'm realizing that a lot of people liked the picture. Let's see. That picture right there. But a lot of people didn't enter in the giveaway. So I really was thinking that I was going to have more people, like if someone tagged their friend and said, gave them a compliment, that friend would also, tag another friend and give them a compliment, like spreading the love. That was my goal. But that didn't really happen. And the first mistake I made, I think, was not putting the word giveaway on the picture. I don't know why I didn't do that, but it takes a lot to design a picture. And I was focusing on like celebrating 1K and putting all the different colors in there. And I didn't put the word giveaway. So I think a lot of people saw the picture and said, oh, she's celebrating 1K. That's great. Like double click like. But then they didn't read the giveaway post or the rules or anything, and so they didn't enter. The other thing, I wonder if what happened was if someone tagged a friend and they gave them a compliment and saw that they were entering in a giveaway, I guess maybe they didn't want to compete with their friend by going to that post and also commenting and tagging another friend. Maybe they didn't want to be competitive. They thought maybe they wanted their friend to win. I don't know. I'm just kind of racking my brain. Anyway, I'm learning, and it's still fun. Somebody's going to win. It's just that I didn't see as much activity as far as this whole explosion of people complimenting each other and just spreading that love. So that's okay. There's a little bit of that. If you want to check out the post, go ahead and check that out. But I'm getting ready to figure out how to pick a winner. And I'm going to film it. All right, guys, so it turned out I thought I was going to use an Instagram comment picker website. That didn't work out. It turned out you had to download some extension, and then this other website I tried, you had to have your Facebook account tied to your Instagram account, and I share our Facebook with my husband, Scott, and so I don't have, and then I have my business account, Cathy Living Gratefully on Instagram, so they're different, so that didn't work. So I'm just going to use the random number generator, and what I'll do is just count up all of the comments, plug that into a random number generator. I had to watch a YouTube video on this, so I'm no expert, but what I'll do then is when it picks a number for me, I'll go back to the comments and go down and look for that number. And then whoever that is, make sure that they tagged a friend and that they liked the photo and that they follow me on Instagram. And so let's see who the winner is. Okay, 19 comments. And the winner is number 8. See who that is. Terry. Okay, and I happen to know, so the next thing I was going to do was make sure that person's following me and make sure they liked the photo. So I'm going to check and make sure she liked the photo, but I know Terry's following me. So I'm going to turn you around and let's check and make sure she liked the photo, and then she'll be our winner. There she is, and see, she liked it and she's following me. So way to go, Terry. You're the winner. Okay, now on to making chicken salad. After our winner was picked, I took a shower, got ready for bed, and then decided to make chicken salad. And then I decided to film it. That's usually how my videos go. I'm just gonna do something and then I'm like, well, maybe I'll share this, and it's really unplanned. So I have no makeup on and you get to see that. Everyone raves about their Instapot, and we've had this Power Pressure Cooker XL for years. My Aunt Julie is the kitchen gadget queen, and she told us about it so long ago, way before I ever even heard about an Instapot, and it became popular. And we could switch it out, but this thing still works, so we just use it. And I think it's really similar. If you see any differences between this and your Instapot, comment down below and let me know if you think it's worth it to switch it up. My sister Jenny, you remember her from another video when we made those glitter ornaments together. She has an Instapot and she taught me a few tricks that she uses. She said you can put this whole bag of frozen chicken tenders in and pressure cook it for 20 minutes, and voila, you have your chicken for chicken salad. I added about 4 cups of water, but you may not even need that much. I don't think it really hurts anything though. And I'm using the 2.5 pound bag of Tyson's tenders on this night, but I've used the 3 pound bag of Great Value tenders and they're great. I actually prefer those, but this is what I had. Another trick I have is to shred your chicken with a mixer. Our friend Stacy told us that she does this for her hot chicken and cheese dip that she makes like in the crock pot, and she'll shred the chicken up with a mixer, and it just makes it so easy. So now I'm sold on using this method. The other trick I use is another one my sister Jenny taught me, to use this little mini processor to chop up onion and celery. My sister and I both have one of these mini processors and we've been using ours for over 20 years. I didn't have celery on this night, so I skipped that, but it makes the pieces really small of both the celery and the onion and kind of brings out the juices, so there's a little bit more flavor. And if you have some people who don't like onion but you want the flavor, this trick may help you out. We use Duke's mayo mostly, but I do really love the Kraft mayo as well, so we always have both. Comment down below which mayo you like. I'll be curious to hear if there's a mayo battle out there. I ran out of Duke's and needed a little of the Kraft, so I just used a little bit of both. So I packed us up and we had it the next day for lunch. It always tastes better cold and after the flavors have melded together. And we did end up saying the next day that we could use a little bit more mayo, and we were missing the celery, but it was still good, and I wanted to share these tricks with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite mayonnaise, and if you have any chicken salad tips to share with me and other people watching. And if you're new around here, I'd absolutely love for you to join my Living Gratefully YouTube family. So make sure you subscribe before you leave today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.